product design craft that really is focused on helping innovators like these young people bring their ideas to life. So we support them with human centered design, engineering design, fabrication, and prototyping support in general. So we just brought a few of our machines, the ones that we carry to the fair. So 3D printing, for example, is a service that we provide. You can see here we just printed a little tag here. But also, given the theme of today's competition, one of the areas of machines that we build are plastic recycling machines. So we build shredders and extrusion machines as well. This is a fun prototype that we were just playing around with that we thought would be fun for the students. We actually wrote, the Practical Boys were here, shredded about 115 plastic bottles to go and prepare for their project today. So we're happy to give you a demonstration. This is my colleague, Ami Salawu, who's our fabrication manager, and she's going to demonstrate the prototype.
Great.
My name is Ami Salawu. I wish everyone can see how it's done.
Okay.
We do this. We have the industrial one, the bigger one, but this is just a little something that we have converted the paper shredder machine to a plastic shredder machine. So this only shred the soft plastic, but not the hard one. Example, what can work with is the tin box and the air conditioned plastic. Those kind of plastic. When you come to the bottles, like coconut bottles and drinking water, there's different things. So this is actually a small shredder machine that we use to. We can't carry the big one. So this is only the size we can bring here to demonstrate for the students to also have access to see how it works.
Wow. Do you want to demonstrate?
Any
Do you have any plastic bottle?
Just in one, but I don't have
Yeah, maybe we can pick some from there.
yeah, that's great. Any questions?
Any questions about the 3D printer? Or you want to see how that also works?
Oh, okay, I have to take this one off. Yes, that's a
You get a flat. It is something like a knife that is a flat, but something.
Yeah, we can pass this over.
So we are going to see how it
Because this
works.
machine is the smaller one, before it's spread, doesn't spread the hard plastic. So we need to take the green one off so that it can work out. For example, I don't have the scissors here. Actually, we are using the plastic to another product, but not this one. Example, the reason why we are using the plastic, not everyone knows the name of them, but how we can introduce how everybody will understand the kind of plastic we use. So when we come to the plastic, we use them. We have an extruder machine that we are told that after shredding the plastic, we can fill it to the extruder machine. And now actually you can bring it as a form of a bar, like something like this pipe here. Then on this you can see the plastic out of the sugar are very strong. When we are showing what the sugar is like, without the plastic, into the then transfer to the pipe. And depending on the pipe, you just square around as far as you can go in, then at the end of the thread you bring it out. So we use it for cables, sun, and other things. But now we are in the process to start building, using it for, we are coming to build an injector machine that can be pressing the pump. Right. So what we are planning is to bring out something that we can use all the plastic waste to provide something that for the system. So for now we are on the sand and the shelf, and other things. That's what we are doing. way forward that we will bring out a machine that can start doing the comparison to get the cable down
This is a business to people that buy this plastic from we buy from them.
the plastic. Oh,
So currently we haven't started that. We can get all in the machines. But